Yeah, we're gonna try and get some wheelies out of him for some good content.
I'm thinking way back to the recess days when we could have fun in a million one ways. Young and innocent, none of us knew the president and Santa was the man, cause his toy supply was infinite. Reliving it with all the friends made, hanging out every day and meeting when the bell rang. Tried to behave, I remember each day, stupid things that I did from K to 12th grade. That life was all gravy, but lately I'm wishing I was 18. Got a lot more stacked on my plate, see, it's crazy. It's the end of the road where I call home. That life known. Transition is a mission, just trying to make it on my own. Friends I've made, I would not trade one single day. Cause memories, they never fade. No more desks, no more class. Now it's time that I pick my path. Do I get moving instead of working 9 to 5? Flying around the world every night, perform it live. So I sit way back, try to paint it out. Living life on the road and what it's all about. All the paths I paved, is it the final route? I can't tell, but it is right now. So I'm pushing all my chips in till it really does.
Oh yeah, I will do, definitely. I'll trace it, yeah.
Oh, mate. Oh, you did anyway, did you?
Yeah, not too bad, like.
It's the end of the road where I call home. That life known. Transition is a mission, just trying to make it on my own. Friends I've made, I would not trade one single day. Cause memories, they never fade. Lost track of the time, thinking it would have think about life. Stuck cause I can't choose, scared of my next move. Life's one long mystery, what will your mission be? It's the end of the road where I call home. That life known. Transition is a mission, just trying to make it on my own. Friends I've made, I would not trade one single day. Cause memories, they never fade.
Shall we ride back?
Yeah, fuck it.
Oh, God, my feet said, oh, fucking
Oh fuck, I'm going as well. Oh, here he goes. Oh. He's rocking.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya. Kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya. Dreams of my own, I've been working from home. I can do it on my own, but sometimes it gets cold like.
Hopefully. Oh.
Cause it's cold outside and I don't know why. I'm just living my life. I'm just living my life. Nothing's what it seems. Got a pocket full of dreams and the persevering for my team so they can acquire cream. Find out what the words pays off really mean. Breathing life to a dream. My peers wouldn't believe, but I'm running out of breath, or I forgot how to breathe. It's been colder than ever. Nothing like I remember. Like spring is the winter, and every day is like December. So bring out your coats, bring out your sweaters. There's no telling when.
Oh, fuck. Yeah, that's why I wasn't gonna get up there. That's sick.
This is nothing compared to what the whole thing is.
Is this disused now then, or is it just?
I think it's used like a couple of times a year. There's like literally, if you go down here and up, there's lakes. There's fucking huge lakes. There's everything.
Mad.
Oh, you can kind of see part
Yeah.
Oh, there's like fishing ponds. This is nothing. There's like massive ramps here, all the way down there.
Well, this is fucking. I never knew this was here. This is sick.
We've bought bikes in here a couple of times, but you're not meant to. You're not allowed.
Well, oh well.
I reckon we should move bikes again. We have the Groms around there, but yeah, it is very scary. Especially on things, and I don't know how.
I was gonna say this is gonna be fun. That's quite steep. That is.
Yeah, I'm surprised it went up.
Yeah, that it looked quite good to be honest. Oh fuck me.